Alright guys, update download already started on my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the January 2026 software update sized around 317 megabyte, and honestly I am again excited because think about it, this phone launched back in 2021, almost 6-year old, but flagship, and that's why this phone is still getting regular security updates. That's seriously impressive. While the update is downloading and then will be installed, let's talk about what this update brings, why update matters, and some precautions you should always take before updating your phone, whether it's Android or iPhone. About this update. This update mainly focuses on January 26 Android security patch, security vulnerability fixes, and some system stability improvements and minor bug fixes. So, no new big features this time, but security updates are actually more important than feature updates because they protect your data, privacy, banking apps, and overall devices security. Why I appreciate Samsung here? Because Samsung now provides long term software updates, especially for their flagship devices, and extended security updates, reliable performance optimization over time, and seeing a nearly 6-year-old phone is still supported gives real confidence to buyers. It means your investment lasts longer. Software update precautions are very important before installing any update. Always remember, charge your device's battery over 50%. You must use stable Wi-Fi connection. You must back up all of your important data, and your devices must have enough free storage to install the update, and don't interrupt the installation process once started like this. These simple steps can prevent update failure or data loss. Benefits of installing updates are many. It will help you to better phone security, improved stability, bug fixes, performance optimizations, and longer device lifespan. Even if you don't see any new features, update keep your phone safe and powerful and fast. Possible drawback. Sometimes after updates, minor battery drain may happen temporarily or in the first few days. Apps might need optimization or few days to become stabilized. And sometimes, if you are unlucky, bugs can appear. But usually, many of these problems will settle within a few days. So, overall, this January 26 update is only security focused, but it's very important. And honestly, seeing this level of support on Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra makes me appreciate Samsung flagship devices even more. I am using S25 Ultra right now. If you own this phone, I definitely recommend installing the update. Alright, the update is installing. I will share more if anything new appears or I see any problem during my daily device uses. Thanks for watching Galaxy Station. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you.